at Cerritos Hotel. We're on the Pacific side of the peninsula. Just enjoying the morning before we get out. Take it really easy. It's gonna be a longer day than day two. A little bit more mountains on the way back down to San Juan del Cabo, where the drop-off point is. So should be a fun day. Looking forward to it, and actually looking forward to just knocking out for a little bit. It's been a blast. 3 days so far, 2.5 days so far. We'll see how the rest goes. All right.
Yeehaw.
This is Jules. He saved my ass a million times.
A pleasure.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Thank you. Oh man. Pepe?
See?
Yeah. Pepe also saved my ass a million times. He's the physician on the trip.
Oh, my pleasure.
Hey.
Rocky is a rock star.
Sure, thank you. This guy right here has coordinated it all. The man, the patron, the patron.
That's
my
me.
patron.
Thank you for coming, brother.
man.
Thank you.
And this guy right here, the chaser truck, and he rode today, Baja Ride. Check him
Baja
out.
Ride.
Eddie.
The master.
This is the master right here. It's a great ride. Look at all this dust in my beard.
We're gonna start climbing. Okay. Just like I said, pick your line either side. I recommend you so you feel more confident to stay on the left side. Okay, closer to the edge of the mountain. Once we go up, there's gonna be another climb to the left. Okay, we don't stop. Okay, second gear, don't just keep going with your speed. If you need to go down to first gear, go down to first gear. All right, I'm gonna go ahead of you, so I'll show you the trail, but get closer to me.
Okay.
All right, and don't hesitate. Go.
Okay. Huh?
That one has been the nightmare for everybody. This one.
That was crazy.
You did it, man. Everything's here. Everything.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Like I said, when you're second guess, bye.
Yeah.
We're just gonna climb then downhill.
All right.
Okay. Exactly.
All right, well, we just completed somebody's name Melitón El Bañe out in the middle of nowhere. We just went to the labyrinth. It's a wild shit. Labyrinth.
Damiana,
Yeah.
local people do liquor with this flower.
Oh, they make liquor out of that.
Yeah, it's to have babies.
Oh.
It's aphrodisiac.
Yeah, let me get that actually. Can I take this home? Can I get this to customs?
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
people say that.
This is one of the reasons why you gotta have a doctor and a mechanic out here, because stuff like this can happen. Inner tube change. Guy's handy, man. You need jewels around. That's wild.
Sí, ya no trae carga.
No puedo.
Vamos a llegar, güey. Ahorita una 20 minutos.
¿Qué ya?
Pinche Mexican Rabacona, ¿eh? Aló, huevo.
Sí.
Tiene que tener.
Colación.
Te ayudaría con
Chus, seguro.
Dice que trae los poderes chamánicos. Dice mi chieri.
¿Ya salió? Mira. Ah, ahí está.
Oh.
Ah, es una bien.
¡Motherfucker!
Listo.
I'm gonna look at this later and be like, so this is gold mine?
Yep. You're gonna be like, shit, did I get this? Did I do this? Get set up.
Any tigers? Inside of a gold mine. Actually feels great in here.
Super fresh. All the granite.
Huh?
All this granite.
Granite?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Part of me's telling me not, but it's so cold in here.
No, yo igual no creo que está el cambio de acá. Alguien no hace pipí por acá. Más intenso.
Yeah, exactly. Time to go back, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It gets cloudy and dark
Yeah.
and smelly.
Smells?
Yeah, it smells like pee, some animal.
Oh, you smell the piss. It's time to get out. Oh, look at that. Alright, hard part. Okay. So far, day one was long. Almost 7 hours of straight riding through some really heavy stuff. Today was shorter ride, still about 5 hours. And, but, you know, it was a lot more fun. I got used to the 450X, the Honda 450X, Honda Gang. And I really enjoyed today. Now I'm just looking forward to chilling at this beachfront hotel that they had set up for me. And just eating some dinner and relaxing. So here's where I'm staying for the night. I'm gonna try to enjoy this as much as possible, of course. Get about 12 hours here before we start riding again. Yeah, you can't really beat that.